Multisyllabic rhyming, or multis, is what takes your freestyle to the next level. Simply, it means that instead of rhyming one syllable and one syllable words, for example, ground and sound, you're now rhyming two syllables or three or more. Okay, you're rhyming multiple syllables. Let me give you some examples so you can see how this works. 1, 2, 3, count down to lift off. Make the crowd jump like my name was crisscross. Here we have lift off and crisscross. So both those syllables in lift off are rhyming with the word crisscross, with the phrase. Therefore we have a multi. We have more than one syllable rhyming. Lift off, crisscross. Another example. I'm trying to get off the hamster wheel, onlookers hoping that my plans will fail. Again, we've got multiple syllables rhyming. Hamster wheel, plans will fail. And we're bending the phrase a little bit. This is quite far from a perfect rhyme. Hamster wheel, plans will fail. Okay? So they're definitely not perfect rhymes, but we can just bend that plans will fail. Trying to get off the hamster wheel, onlookers hoping that my plans will fail. And there's enough connection between those phrases, between the sounds, that it feels like the rhyme is being completed there. You think you fly, but can you cope with the turbulence? MCs are hopeless, notices I'm serving them. So we have turbulence, serving them. So again, trying to create that multisyllable rhyming effect. Turbulence, serving them. Rap in infinite combinations, heartfelt like intimate conversations. Okay, intimate conversations is rhyming with infinite combinations. Now we have, multiple syllables stacking up. Okay, infinite combinations, intimate conversations. So we've got two multisyllable phrases stacking up. Rhymes stay close to the equator, sharpness matched only by the rapier. So we've got close to the equator, only by the rapier. So again, we've got multiple syllables in these phrases. Close to the equator, only by the rapier. And close and only, these aren't perfect rhymes, but again, there's enough combination between the sounds, between the amount of syllables, the word stress, that we're hitting that target board. We're getting on that target board of, the rhyme is continuing, that pleasing kind of feeling for the listener of that phrase being completed. So practice using multis, practice multisyllable rhyming. The best place on this course to practice is the multisyllable word exercises and also the practice arenas, the freestyle multisyllable practice arenas. They are designed to help you practice multis and to practice setup and punchline. So have a go at working through those and your multis will become, really sharp, and then your freestyling is going to stand out. It's going to be like, the next level to most freestyle rappers that you'll see.